People ask me all the time, what's your rate today? Where are rates at? It's the worst question that you could ask your mortgage professional, and anyone who answers that question right away is actually doing you a disservice. And here's three reasons why. First and foremost, you're not buying a house today and you're not refinancing a house today. That rate that I give you is most likely going to change by the time you either start the refinance process or you start the process of buying a home. Most people, it takes them 60 to 90 days from the time that they're pre-approved to the time that they actually go under contract when we lock their loan. And you can't lock a loan 90 days out without actually having to have some costs up front. Second reason is I don't know anything about you in the first conversation. You could give me as much information as you want, but until I verify that information, I don't know what your credit score is. I don't know what your income's like. I don't know the property you're buying, what the loan to value is, what you plan to do with that property. There are so many different factors that go into what your rate's going to be. And third, we're mortgage brokers. We don't actually set rates. And that's a good thing because we go out and we make people compete for your business that do set rates. We put your whole entire scenario into a pricing engine and make wholesale lenders compete for your business, which lowers your rate and lowers your cost. It also provides you a better experience overall because we're the ones doing that for you. You don't need to go and chase a bunch of banks, chase a bunch of lenders, put your information in there, have your credit pulled 10 times. You come to us, you fill out one application, and we price you across over 100 different lenders that are going to compete for your business. And we might be able to have access to better rates at the same companies that you have access to. And a lot of people don't know that. If you're curious about a rate, you're curious about getting pre-approved, you're curious about the mortgage process, reach out to us today. We're more than happy to have a conversation with you and get you to the point where you might understand what your rate could be.